Hey Crazy Cuties, welcome back. So today is another makeup therapy session where I tend to talk what's going through my head and while I'm doing my makeup. So yes, so I have a lot of things to talk about apparently what's going through my head, and also I have an idea of a makeup. I don't know, it's weird. What's going through my head, I don't know. So if I were you, grab a snack and grab a drink, or you want to do makeup with me, create makeup along with me, grab your makeup. Yeah. So I'm actually going to play the Dreamscape palette from Profusion. Profusion is like one of my favorite brands from the drugstore. And there's a couple of more palettes I want to get from them because I like these formula. And I've noticed they changed the packaging of this, so it is what it is. It's not black. I think it's clear or white now, which is like, I really don't care. But yeah, it kind of matches. Some of the colors matches my shirts, but I just don't know what kind of makeup look I'm going to go for. So of course, all the products I've used in this video will be down below. Yeah, what has been going on? Craziness, a lot of craziness. Trying to work out with my video settings for my camera. Because I think this is a lot better than it has been. I didn't realize this until recently. That had a gray cast to it. I was like, so what the hell? So I finally found out I can fix the white balance. And I was like, huh, that is interesting. This month for January, well, for me it's January. When you see this, it will be February. But I feel like for January, it was like one of those things, like I had to get used to being what? I don't know. Because, you know, setting new goals and trying to see what 2025 is going to be like, it was just like, okay, that. And I was watching some YouTube videos and watching some beauty content creators that I'm just like, hey, I think this is a great time to try out different techniques and try out different colors, like different color stories, and see what I can come up with. And it was just very interesting what was going through my head, because I don't play with a lot of like cool tone colors. I don't. I play with like more vibrant colors, like colorful colors. I go with more warm to neutral. And it was like greens and blues, you know, they're cool, but not really true cool tone looks. Like, has that grayish tone to it. And I was like, because I was been watching Hayden Haunts. She is the proud owner of Unearthly Cosmetics. And I watch her YouTube videos, and I really like the makeup looks that she comes up with. And I love it. I mean, I love her creativity. I love her, I like her vibe. I really do. You know, certain beauty content creators have certain vibe. And she's like a down to earth person. Like, I'm a down to earth to a lot of things, but she's like really down to earth. Like, she's very calming. She's very, I don't know. And I like her style of makeup. But with her makeup looks, it's like so beautiful. And then I was just like, I want to try out more products from Unearthly, because I do have the glitter primer one, and Unearthly has beautiful unearthly colors. I like the color stories that they come up with is so unique and so gorgeous. It's like, I want to try them. Like, I'm being honest, it's not some way, oh, this is not like I want free products or anything. No, it's just that I just like the color stories. I like the color stories of Unearthly, and I really like Hayden Haunts because I feel like her vibe is awesome. It's down to earth, and I really like it. And I'm just like, wow, like, it's very unique. Like, she's down to earth, but very unique with the color stories that she comes up with, and I really do enjoy that. And I'm just like, I don't know what to put it. I don't know how to put it. I mean, it's beautiful. I'm just like really intrigued with different makeup styles of makeup. And I'm like, huh. And I haven't done a cut crease. That's a different makeup style of eyeshadow. And I haven't done that in so long because I haven't been really inspired to do something like that. I have a couple of ideas that I want to do with a makeup look. Inspire me to do, wanted to do. And there's like a light green color, but I'm gonna use Realm as like a nice icy blue just to blend that and to change the color just a little bit. But I hope this lighting helps a little bit more of a white balance. It looks like it's more of a white balance to it. It's not very like gray tone because I've noticed, I don't know, I've just noticed even more when I was trying to fix everything how I want to see that why was it so much gray tone. And I did fix it while I was editing, but I didn't realize how grayish tone it was. And then I finally, so I decided, you know, do some research, and then it was like, oh, you can do this, you can do that. I'm like, oh, so my camera quality could be a lot better. That was something was hilarious for a while with me. And I've always picked the weirdest times to do my makeup anyway. And most of it I do go to work. And if it's like a afternoon, I work in the afternoon. I do wear makeup, but in the mornings is like 11 o'clock that I, you know, have to go to work. I don't want to wake up really early because it takes me an hour, maybe an hour and a half. And sometimes if you see like quick videos, it's just because I'm playing with makeup before I go to work. When I tend to do my makeup, I kind of go like an angle because I like how it goes to what I like, because I do have hooded eyes and my eyes are deep set. And I'm going to use Zen. It's a nice blue shade, very pigmented. I love about Profusion too is it's affordable, but I like the formula of them. So I've been using them since maybe in 2019, 2018, around there, when I first saw them. And Profusion came out with some new products, and I'm like very excited for them because I'm like, yes. And they came out with some more cream blushes and the liquid blushes and everything. And they came out with a blush highlight where you can use a blush and you also can use it as a highlight. And I like that, but I don't use cream blushes like that because I don't really play with cream blushes. I don't. It's not like I don't want to. It's just that I prefer my powder blushes where I can either control. I'm trying to see if I can match this a little bit because I have a thing that has to match really, really good. And I'm kind of weird when it comes to that. But of course my eye shapes are a little bit different and it drives me nuts. And I'm fine with that. I love doing this. Like, this is where creativity and seeing. But also, too, if you're new with makeup and you're trying to do something like this, always, always, always trust the process. You don't know how many times I gave up and said, F it. Then I'm like, no, I'm going to keep on going. And that's what I did. And that's what I continue to do. I actually want to go to a different color. Maybe Cloud Nice. This is pretty blue color. It's a little hard pan, but you know what? It is what it is. But I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone anyway. So maybe this is a start of just trying to figure out what we're thinking of using Fantasy. And Fantasy is this shade. And it's such a beautiful shade, but I don't know if I'm gonna go like with a glitter glue with this or not. It's always depending on my mood. It's like, what do I want? Every time I want to do a light finish, anything like that. So this is a nice tip for anybody. If you like a color that's still see-through, don't use glitter glue with shimmers. Shimmers and glitter. Shimmers has this nice reflectiveness too, and it's silky and smooth. Glitter is just particles that can go up in your eye and blah blah blah. So we have glitter glue that helps to heave. I don't know why I said that, but to help it stick to the eye. Now glitter glue does the same thing with shimmers and everything else, just like a glitter glue. And that's why you tend to use glitter glue with shimmers because it gives more of an impact to the eye if vice versa of not using anything. If you don't use glitter glue and you don't want it to be a major impact, don't use glitter glue. Now, for shimmers, when you are working with shimmers, you do not want to swipe, you want to paint. That will help it stay. If you need to blend it, you can do that. I'm not using any glitter glue or anything like that on my eye, but I am going to lightly pat it because I do not want it to be don't want it to be very impactful. Like you can actually see it right here. It's not really showing. If I would just rather use glitter glue and to have a more of an impact, I would. But if you don't want shimmer into your creases like a freaking maniac, use glitter glue. I think this year will be the year that I'll be doing eyelashes. I have done eyelashes many of times in the past. But I actually want to try an adhesive eyeliner, as in the eyeliner has the lash glue already in it, and I've seen a lot. I've noticed a couple of brands have that, and I'm just like, okay, I need to get that, and I want that. Never gonna be perfect, and tell that to my head. Telling that to myself more than anything because my brain does not work with that. My brain says, oh, it has to look like this. It's like one of those annoying things that my brain tends to do is my OCD. I think I did a really good job today. I'm proud of myself. I am very proud of myself. Oh my goodness. You don't hear that from me myself. You don't hear that a lot from me. Like, I am proud of myself with a lot of things. You don't ever hear me saying that loud on camera. But that's not bad. I'm very proud of myself. So I'm going to use Life Glam Pretty Feather Mascara. Okay. So I have put my primer on, and then I put my foundation on, so if anybody's wondering. I did not realize my thing stopped recording, but I don't know if it's the last thing I saw was the mascara, and like, okay. So the show must go on. I'm thinking about going shopping at Ulta. I don't know yet because there's some mini products that came out. Well, it came out some new products. I was really intrigued by that. Was the chrome one. I'm like, wow, they finally got into the trend of that. I'm like, wow. Well, you have become late to the game, but it is what it is. I don't mind that. Like, I want to try. I didn't get the Hello Kitty one. I was bummed about that one, but I was more like, no. I was thinking about cost more than anything. Like, new things came out. Gourmet Girls came out. Gourmet Girl Cosmetics came out with a new eyeshadow palette. And I want that. Oh my god, I want so many things from some of those brands. It's like, I want PR for them. So I might have to. Sadly, I want to try because I think those palettes are so beautiful. But I would love to review those products and create looks with them. I don't know if I'm ever want to do like a review thing. Like, I don't mind doing reviews anyway, especially on new brands, and you get my thoughts about it. But there's a but on that one. But I feel like there's so many reviews out there. They probably will say the same thing as I would because knowing me, I probably like them. And I'm like, oh yeah, I understand. But I want to create looks with them, and that's what I feel like doing. I feel like there's a lot of channels that just do a whole bunch of reviews on products and never really create. Yeah, they're creating makeup, but they're not really doing like I don't know, like Hayden Haunts. She does like creating makeup. I rather see her do any reviews. And there's like other, like Shannon XO, she does like, she does, reviews, but she also creates like makeup and everything. Still waiting for my freaking package from Revolution. So I did a sell from them, got a sell, like their last chance sell, and there's a lot of makeup, whatever, and I was like, oh, I want to try this and I want to try that, and I wanted more of their flawless palettes, Forever Flawless, because I like the formula of those. And There's a couple that I wanted to try, and I wanted to get because I like the color story, and of course, I didn't realize they didn't sell that anymore. I'm like, damn it. I love this brush, and I got this from IPSY BYOD brush. Is a CB730 brush, and I like this brush so much because it does a fantastic job of blending. But there's so many palettes that I want, and there's like a couple of them. I still want the newest ones from the Forever palettes more. My thing keeps shutting off, and I don't know why. If you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm actually blending this to that blue. I love this powder stuff, so I'm definitely going to get more of these. Until it's just, I really do like this one from Beauty Creations with their spray. You know, my brain just doesn't work the way it should be anyway. Nah, I'm gonna find these that I use for my face. And I don't know. No, it's right here. There we go. The blush. Since we're going with a blue, I don't want to go with like a, I don't know, a bright freaking color. And we're gonna do some highlight. Now, all depends how you want to do it. Just doing this. It's a nice illuminator. And so I'm doing is just giving myself a nice glow. This one from LA Girl. This is like one of my favorite brands when it comes to eyeliners. And I have to get some more from them. Use this one, Color Spell. Yep, this is the finished look. So I hope you like this look. I hope you like whatever I talked about. I know I talked a lot, I think. I don't know if I did. But yeah, I don't know what I did. I don't know. It's craziness. Makeup therapy session where I just play with makeup and talk about crazy things. I don't know, crazy things was on my mind, I guess. But yeah, I really like how this look came out. Even though I wish I did a better job of showing that green surreal a lot better. But I feel like it matches the eye. I don't know. I wish I did a better job because I should have did a very little bit of the blue. But it's okay. It's just makeup. I can wash it off if I really want to. But whatever makes me happy, that's what's quite important. And the thing about makeup is just to have fun with it and see what you like, what you don't like. But yeah. If I had to redo this, I would use a little bit of the blue and show more of that green color. But you know what? It is what it is. So if you do like this video, make sure to hit the like button so I know you like this kind of content and want to see more makeup therapy sessions. And also, if you want to be part of the Crazy Cuties clan, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We're drama-free and judgment-free here. And of course, we might be a tiny little crazy, but we're cute at the same time. And of course, make sure to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of any new videos that I upload. So yeah. I really like how this look turned out, even though I should have did it, should have, could have done, whatever, a little bit of that blue, but it is what it is. And yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye!